What if we told you that relief from constipation might be sitting right in your kitchen? No harsh laxatives, no uncomfortable side effects, just 6 natural remedies that work with your body to get things moving smoothly again. Whether you're dealing with occasional sluggishness or chronic constipation, these simple, effective solutions can make all the difference. Plus, at the end of the video, one extra tip to improve bowel movements. Welcome to Levitas. Constipation is a condition where bowel movements become infrequent or difficult to pass. It's a common problem, affecting millions of people at some point in their lives. Medically, constipation is typically defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. But even if you're going less frequently than usual, or if stools are hard and painful to pass, you might be dealing with some level of constipation. There are many reasons why constipation happens. One of the biggest culprits is a diet low in fiber and fluids. Fiber helps keeps everything moving, while adequate hydration softens stools, making them easier to pass. Other factors include a sedentary lifestyle, stress, changes in routine, or even certain medications. Hormonal imbalances, such as those during pregnancy or menopause, can also lead to constipation. For some, constipation becomes chronic and needs more than just a temporary fix. It needs a lifestyle change. That's where natural remedies come into play. Now, let's get into the real reason you're here, discovering the 6 best natural remedies to relieve constipation, plus one extra tip to boost bowel movements. 1. Soluble fiber is a game changer when it comes to relieving constipation. Unlike insoluble fiber, which we'll get into shortly, soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This helps to soften stools and slow down digestion, giving the intestines time to absorb water. As a result, your bowel movements become more regular and easier to pass. Soluble fiber is especially beneficial for people who experience both constipation and diarrhea, as it helps balance the digestive system. You can find soluble fiber in foods like psyllium, flax seeds, chia seeds, and fruits such as apples, unripe bananas, and berries. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas, are also great sources. Adding these foods to your diet not only helps alleviate constipation, but also provides other health benefits like improved cholesterol levels and blood sugar control. 2. Insoluble fiber. While soluble fiber softens and slows down the passage of food, insoluble fiber works in a different way. It adds bulk to your stool and acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines to keep things moving along. Insoluble fiber is not water-soluble, meaning it passes through your digestive system relatively unchanged, helping to prevent stools from becoming hard and compacted. Good sources of insoluble fiber include fruits like berries, vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and leafy greens are excellent sources. The best approach is to include both soluble and insoluble fibers in your diet for a well-rounded and effective way to combat constipation. The combination helps ensure that your digestive system stays balanced and that stools remain easy to pass. 3. Extra virgin olive oil is more than just a healthy fat, it's also a natural remedy for constipation. This healthy fat helps lubricate the digestive system, making it easier for food to move through the intestines. It also stimulates the production of bile, which aids digestion and helps prevent stools from becoming too hard. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that support overall gut health. To use extra virgin olive oil for constipation, you can take a tablespoon first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also incorporate it into your meals by drizzling it over salads or vegetables, giving you the dual benefits of flavor and digestive support. 4. Bone broth might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of constipation relief, but it's a powerful remedy. Why? Bone broth is rich in gelatin, a substance that helps repair the gut lining and supports healthy digestion. When your digestive system is functioning optimally, it's easier for food to move through your intestines, reducing the likelihood of constipation. Bone broth is also an excellent source of electrolytes, including sodium and potassium, which help your body retain fluids and keep your stool soft. Proper hydration is crucial for preventing constipation, and bone broth serves as a nourishing, hydrating option that promotes gut health from the inside out. Making bone broth at home is simple. Simmer animal bones with vegetables and herbs for several hours. Drink it as a warm, comforting beverage or use it as a base for soups and stews. Either way, bone broth delivers a potent 1-2 punch of hydration and nourishment. 5. Hydration. Sometimes the most effective remedies are the simplest. Dehydration is one of the primary causes of constipation. When your body is low on fluids, it draws water from the colon to hydrate the rest of the body, leaving your stool hard and difficult to pass. That's why drinking enough water each day is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, but your needs may vary based on your activity level, diet, and environment. If plain water isn't your favorite, you can stay hydrated with herbal teas, infused water, or even water-rich foods like cucumbers and lemons. 6. Kefir is a fermented drink made from milk or water that's rich in probiotics, those friendly bacteria that support gut health. These probiotics help balance your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion and regularity. When your gut is populated with good bacteria, your digestive system works more efficiently, reducing the risk of constipation. Kefir can be particularly helpful if constipation is linked to an imbalance in gut bacteria, which can happen after taking antibiotics or eating a poor diet. Consuming kefir regularly can improve stool consistency and frequency, providing a natural and gentle solution for constipation. You can find kefir in most grocery stores, or you can make it at home with kefir grains and milk or water. Drinking 1 cup of kefir a day is enough to start experiencing its benefits. Just be sure to look for unsweetened varieties to avoid unnecessary sugars that can disrupt gut health. And our extra tip for constipation: while diet plays a significant role in relieving constipation, staying active is another essential component. Regular physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in your intestines, promoting the movement of food and waste through the digestive system. When you're inactive for long periods, your intestines become sluggish, contributing to constipation. Simple activities like walking, yoga, or even stretching can make a big difference. Aim for at least 60 minutes of moderate exercise each day to keep your digestive system moving efficiently. The more you move, the easier it is for your bowels to move as well. These 6 natural remedies are simple yet effective ways to combat constipation. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you'll not only improve your digestive health but also enhance your overall well-being. Each remedy brings its unique benefits, but together they form a comprehensive approach to keeping constipation at bay and improving gut health naturally. In conclusion, constipation, a common issue marked by infrequent or difficult bowel movements that significantly affect your quality of life. It often stems from a diet lacking fiber and fluids, a sedentary lifestyle, or hormonal changes. Chronic constipation requires more than a temporary solution. It calls for long-term lifestyle adjustments. Fortunately, natural remedies offer an effective, holistic approach to managing this condition. Soluble and insoluble fiber work together to balance digestion and ease bowel movements. Extra virgin olive oil and bone broth provide lubrication and gut repair, while proper hydration and probiotic-rich kefir help maintain smooth digestion. Additionally, regular physical activity plays a crucial role in promoting intestinal movement. By integrating these remedies into your routine, you not only relieve constipation, but also support your overall digestive health, creating a healthier, more balanced life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.